Welcome everyone, your code agent is back in service. So today in this video we are going to learn about Java data types, Java operators. So let's get started. Basic syntax of Java is given below. Class is a keyword in Java that indicates the start of a class definition. Data types is the name of the class being defined. The class name should same as the file name. Public static void main string args is a method definition that declares a method named main. The main method is a special method in Java that is called when the program is run. The public keyword indicates that the method can be accessed from other classes. The static keyword indicates that the method belongs to the class rather than to an instance of the class. The void indicates that the method does not return a value. The string args parameter is an array of strings that can be passed to the main method when it is called. If we run this program, it will print hello world. In Java, there are two types of data types. The first one is primitive and the other one is non-primitive. The primitive data types are classified into following categories: integer, float, characters, boolean. And the non-primitive data types are classified as string, array, etc. Let's see the primitive and non-primitive data types with example. Now we will learn about the operators in Java. Java operators are categorized into 5 types. Number 1, arithmetic operator. Number 2, assignment operator. Number 3, comparison operator. Number 4, logical operator, and number 5, bitwise operator. Let's see the arithmetic operators. Now, we will see the assignment operators. The comparison operators are discussed below. These are the logical operators. The bitwise operators are